This is Turkish channel and welcome to our new video. Today we are going to learn Sciences Part 2. Let's start. Our first word is archaeology. 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 Coğrafya. Coğrafya. This word hasn't any sound. Just make the vowel in front of it a little bit longer. We don't say coğrafya. No. We say coğrafya. Coğrafya. Okay? Kimya. 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 Let's do it again. Archaeology. 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 Coğrafya. 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 Kimya. 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 Arkeoloji. Coğrafya. Kimya. What was that? Coğrafya. What was that? Arkeoloji. What was that? Kimya. Kimya. And this is the Turkish channel. Don't forget to subscribe us for more videos, like us for more videos, and join our Telegram group for motivation and learning Turkish. Take care of yourself until the next video. Goodbye.